Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a creamy vegan korma which rivals any takeaway. So you can use some spice paste pre-bought, or you can create your own homemade spice mix. You also will need a tin of coconut milk or 2 tins of coconut cream. Soak 100 grams of cashews in water for around 20 to 30 minutes and chop 1 red onion and any of your chosen vegetables. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Add to the pan and fry with the onion until nice and tender. Add your 2 tablespoons of spice mix and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add your 2 tins of coconut cream or 1 tin of coconut milk. And 150 millilitres of vegetable stock. Add your soaked and blended cashews and mix well. Add any of your chosen vegetables and simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Chop a handful or 2 of fresh coriander. I've added some fried tofu to my curry. You can use another meat alternative or paneer. And serve with rice or CHAPATI or NAAN bread. Top with your fresh coriander and any leftover cashew nuts.